What's up, guys? We are in a 2018 Lowrider Custom. So you got the T-bars on it. It's a beautiful bike. What kind of Bassani? I don't know what kind of pipes those are. Beautiful looking bike. I think they also said it had a stage 1. It says the 114 engine, 114 cubic inch motor. I think it said it had a stage 1 kit done to it. I really wanted to ride this thing because I wanted to see, I wanted to ride a bike that used to be a Dyna and now's a Softail, to really get that comparison. You know, as we all know, they dropped the Dyna line, and some of the more popular Dynas, like the Lowrider, I mean, you can't drop the Lowrider. Some of the more popular Dynas, like the Lowrider, they just said, we'll just turn it into a Softail. So I really wanted to ride one for myself. Now, personally, I'm not a big fan of the T-bars. I know, listen, everyone else loves them. So I'm not hating on them. I'm not a fan of it. Maybe it'll come around. I will say this, I love the way it feels. I definitely love the way it feels. This bike still has the mid-range controls. The Lowrider is for the short people. Short people go crazy over this bike. They love this bike. They love this bike like fat kids love cake. I like these grips. This one's got 50. So this is a bike that the dealership. So what this dealership does, and they do a lot of cool stuff, is they'll actually customize. They'll do custom bikes and sell them brand new. And they do beautiful stuff, and they kind of have their own little theme to it that you're not going to get anywhere else. Because that's kind of their theme. That's kind of their flavor, you know. And hey, why not buy it already modified with the work already done to it, and still have that warranty on it from the factory? Because then you know it's done right. You know the parts connect with the other parts. You know what I mean? Like they, you know, it's tuned properly. You didn't get an exhaust that was too restricting with an air cleaner that was too much, or whatever. And you know it's still under full factory warranty because that dealership put it together, and you get to feel what it rides like. You know, normally you buy a bike and you modify it, and then you're like, you know, you have no idea what it's actually going to ride like. You get to feel what it rides like before you buy it. Beautiful bike. I love the paint job. 54 miles. So this is what a Lowrider and it feels great. It definitely, it's a smoother ride than what it used to be back when the Lowrider was a Dyna. What's that? Got a Lamborghini behind us. Something else I've noticed is the gearboxes are very smooth in these newer Harleys. I don't know if they made any differences with them. I just know popping these things in gear feels great. Tons of power. Guys, if you guys are in or near Orlando, even if you're not, it might be worth taking a trip down to the Orlando Harley Davidson. This place has some crazy history. It's a beautiful building. The building was actually modeled after one of the original facilities, Harley Davidson facilities in Milwaukee. I love this bike's great. And I actually it's nice to hop on a bike with mid controls. You feel like you can throw it down a little bit, get a little bit lower. Forward controls tend to drag sooner than mid-range controls. And it's definitely a more, it's a sportier feel to it. Now we didn't really get into the corners or anything like that, so I didn't A lot of reasons people love the Dynas. They say they handle better. I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you if this handles worse than a Dyna lowrider or not. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see more content. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.